Now we will apply the alcohol.
I need to clean properly for the dust and oil or this thing is clean. You can clean by soap. Washing by soap, no problem. But work with the alcohol is better. Ready? Yesterday I post this design and I make with the application. You can watch.
Now you can check. I link the bio up. Now we need to check if the print is good. Now we need one more to test.
It's not print. So this one I think is better and fast. Yes, because you see here no half, here half. And the shadow here is better than here. So I use this.